Welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. I'm Tiffany, and today we are doing an unboxing for a CurlBox that's not part of the subscription boxes. So that means anyone can get this box. So my box came a little beat up, so let's hope that everything in it is okay. We are doing a non-subscription box. These are available from time to time on the CurlBox website. So when you go on their website, if you go to the tab that says shop now, you'll see the boxes that are available. Sometimes there are also past boxes that are available to purchase. Today, I'm wearing the same shirt that I wore in the February CurlBox unboxing. So I want to point out that I did get a haircut, and I'll put a side comparison so you can see the difference of the length of my hair. I really love my haircut. My hair just feels so much lighter and so much more alive. So if your hair is not acting right and your ends are really ready to go, trim them. Get them trimmed professionally. Or if you trust yourself, you can trim them yourself. I got mine done professionally. Let's get into this CurlBox unboxing. The first item that's not in the little pink box that all the items usually come in, usually if it's too much, they put it on top, is the Bouclème Curls Redefined Intensive Moisture Treatment. So this is a deep conditioner. It's from Bouclème. I think that's how you say it. And it smells like a hair product. Doesn't have any of those fruity smells that I love or those nice floral smells that I love, but just smells like a conditioner. Since filming, this page has been updated, but here you can sign up to be on the waiting list for the monthly subscription. The CMOS collection is currently available, Eden Body Works, and this box. Okay, here's the little pamphlet that comes with it. It just explains everything. It talks about all the products that are in this box, and this is a UK brand. And here it is. I like the colors, the pink, purple, and green. It's very pretty. Okay, so the next item we have is the Bouclème Curls Redefined Curl Cleanser. So this is a curl cleanser. So this is what you wash your hair with. Let's see, it's plant-powered curl care, zero foam for maximum hydration. This non-foaming cleanser gently cleans without stripping, leaving curls hydrated and moisturized. The next item is the curl conditioner. It says this ultra moisturizing conditioner penetrates the hair cuticle, leaving curls super hydrated, and it's perfect for all curl types. I don't see any silicones in these. I quickly scanned through the ingredients, so I didn't see any silicones that popped out to me, but just check if you're someone that doesn't like silicones before you purchase these products. And now we have the curl cream. This nourishing and moisture replenishing leave-in curl cream creates soft, shiny, and well-defined curls for medium and tight curl types. So this is for medium and tight curl types. And last but not least is the curl defining gel. It says the function of this one is this smoothing medium hold gel gives all day frizz control and incredible curl definition. These are all pretty colored packaging. They're all pastel colors. They are perfect for the spring, and I cannot wait to try them. This is a new to me company. That's why when I saw it available in the non-subscription box, I decided to purchase it. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried this brand, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.